Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add store policies and legal pages on Shopify. So in order to create these pages, go to your Shopify store, then click on the settings here. On this page you will find an option for policies at the very last here. Click on it. Now you can see here we have multiple options or template to create these pages. And you can see these pages are not published yet. Now let's take an example. We need to create a page for terms of service. So you need to click on this. Here you can insert template or generate a content by clicking on this button insert template. As you can see, we have the default template here. So you can change the content as per your website. Then all you need to do is click on the publish button here. Now you can see we have created the page for terms of services. In order to check this page on front end, go to your front end or the website, then write the URL as policies slash terms of service. Now you can see the page is created on the front end. Let's take another example for privacy policy page. Click on this. Here you can see we have the default content here. You can change the content as per your website and click on the publish button here. The privacy policy page is created as well. Now go to your website and change the URL to privacy policy. Here you can see the page is created. Now you can use these pages on your website and you can add the template or the pages on the footer as well. Here you can see the pages are added here on the footer. If I go to here, the pages are created. That's all. Thank you.